In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp breadcrumbs in views. Breadcrumbs in ClickUp are the little path indicators that show exactly where a task lives in your hierarchy, like space, folder, and list. Turning them on makes it much easier to navigate, understand context at a glance, and spot tasks that belong to multiple locations. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign into your workspace. Give the page a moment to load so all your spaces and views are available. You don't need to change anything in your account settings for this. We'll work right inside a view. Next, head into the space where you manage the work you want to review. Spaces are the top-level sections in your workspace, so pick the one that contains the teams or projects you care about. If you're not sure which to choose, hover over a few names and look for the one that contains the relevant folders or lists you recognize. Once you're inside that space, open either a board view or a list view. Board is great if you like Kanban-style columns by status, while list gives you a structured, spreadsheet-like layout with rows. Breadcrumbs work in both, so choose whichever view you normally use to manage tasks. Now look for the view's settings. This is typically in the top right area of the view, often represented by a gear icon or a three-dot menu labeled Settings or View Settings. Click that to open the configuration panel for the view you're currently in. Inside the settings, find the option called Show Task Locations. This is the control that reveals breadcrumbs on your task cards or rows. If you don't see it immediately, scroll within the Settings panel, or expand Advanced, or Display Options until it appears. You only need to do this once per view to change how it displays information. Click the Show Task Locations option to enable it. As soon as it's turned on, you'll notice each task displays a small path that indicates its location, typically showing the space, folder, and list. On boards, this appears on task cards. In lists, it's visible in the row details. If a task exists in more than one list, the breadcrumb will help you spot that quickly. You can hover over or click the path to navigate to that location, which makes switching context much faster. That's it. With breadcrumbs enabled, you'll scan your tasks with far more confidence, instantly see where everything lives, and jump to the right place without digging through the hierarchy. If the view feels cluttered later, simply return to the same settings and toggle it off.